Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price action, definitely some updates here need to be made. So the first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here. From a presentation standpoint, yeah, these lines do still pertain, but they're not really relevant. And I don't want to have a million lines of where that can cause clutter and confusion. So like I said, from a presentation standpoint, I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. Now, the first update that comes about is from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from Friday and hopefully remember, $1.32 I talked about as resistance, but now that the price is broken above it and closed above it, you want to see it act as support. And actually, if you look closely, it's already acted as support a couple of times after the price broke above it. Price tried to get pushed down through there, but the bulls did a good job of maintaining that. So $1.32, newest area of support. From the big picture of things, and I can't remember if I talked about this on Friday or not, but big picture, really kind of just boiling things down into a very simplistic black and white way to look at the chart. As long as the price is above that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, keyword there being moving, so as time goes by, that line's going to continue to move its way upwards. But as long as the price is above there, bulls are in full control, full health, however you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. So next key level of resistance, right where it bounced off of today. So $1.48. So why is that not shocking? Well, if you look back here, you can see $1.48 also knocked it down today. So while I'm not saying $1.48 is impossible to break, I'm just saying that apparently, according to the quote-unquote story of the price, the bulls are going to need to bring their A game in order to fight through it and stay up above it. So $1.48, definitely public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But all in all, very nice way to start off the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.